Okay guys, taking a look at replacing the furnace. So here's our situation. We got return coming in on both sides because it's a 5-ton. I think the most effective way of replacing would be, because this unit is 33.5, not that we can't set it down on the ground, but probably want to get cork pads underneath. Our unit being 34 is going to put this unit be up a little bit. Line set I think can easily just be, you know, tweaked a little bit, but maybe get into another plenum. So if we take this off right away, we can raise that up, get our new furnace underneath. And then on the return, we're going to look at going with the 1310s, the 20x20s. The reason for that is our drain, we can't get a base underneath, so we'll have a spacer in between here. That's what you guys are looking at. On this is roughly 11 inches, and so ours will be 7 inches. So yeah, that'll give us a spot on either side to put the drain, more than likely the other side. So we'll have a spacer, or actually you can just do filter, spacer, and then drain if you like on that side. And then over here I have two 8x20 vertical elbows. So one, we'll have a patch here. What I'm looking at on this side is just leaving it raw so you can tuck it right into the slip, and then a hem on top and bottom. And then this piece that's coming out, obviously you can just, with cutting this in, you can move this down as far as you like. So maybe you work backwards, you'd have your ductwork, your filter, your filter against the unit, ductwork, 90, the piece that's the filler piece, and then another elbow. As you can see here, we got our humidifier going into this supply. Maybe we want to look at going up a little bit higher, and then when we do our new plenum, kicking that back a little bit. So I think one guy working on the return, one guy working on the supply, get this all knocked out pretty easily. And then the drain's just going over the floor drain. I did note on the termination out there to look at how close that is to the window, but I think we're in good shape. It's below at least by about a foot, so I think we're fine there. But just want to check that out. So that's what we got: filter, spacer, spacer, wraparound, elbow, piece, and then a patch, another elbow into that, and we're done. No walkout. Just going through the steps.